This anime video made by just chatting. No editing, no animation skills, just one prompt. And an AI agent built the whole thing. It's called Flova, an AI video agent. And it's not just anime. Cinematic trailers, short dramas, music videos, motion comics, even commercial ads. One tool, all of it. Let me show you exactly how it works. First things first, I've dropped the link in the description and it costs nothing to join. Sign up and 100 credits land in your account instantly. Want more? Just poke around the platform and knock out the quick onboarding tasks. That adds another 200. So you're starting with 300 free credits before spending a single penny. Once you're in, you'll see a chat box. That's the AI video agent. Below it, there are some popular skills you can try with one click. And here's the best part. You don't need some long, complicated prompt. Flova can handle complex tasks from a single line. Just an idea is enough. So let's test it. I'm creating a Japanese anime-style opening, a 90-second anime music video. That's my concept for today. In my prompt, I've mentioned the anime title, topic, and video length. You can pick a custom video model if you want, but the agent automatically picks the best one for you. You can also attach your own media, images, audio, or video. For now, I'll just hit generate. And look at this, a new dialog box opens up. First, Flova prepares the complete video spec. Video type, target audience, output language, aspect ratio, visual style, sound style, key characters, everything. Then the storyboard updates, with a ready-made prompt for every single scene. I didn't write any of this, the agent did. Now it asks, storyboard is complete. What would you like to do next? 3 options. Begin full production, generate character references first, or refine the storyboard. I'm going all in. Full production. Send. And the agent gets to work. First, it writes prompts for every character, then generates the designs, then all the assets. Watch. The audio is done first, then all the anime images start appearing. And honestly, these images look really cool. The cinematic shots start generating too. This step takes a bit of time, so give it 5 to 10 minutes. And boom, the video is complete. It's even added to the timeline automatically. Let's play it. Wow, this is actually fantastic. The visuals, the storytelling, phenomenal. Tell me in the comments, what do you think of this quality? Happy with the result? Just go to export the video, and download it. Done. So you just saw how easy it is. Give the agent a story, it gives you a finished video. And this works for anything. The process is exactly the same. If this looks useful, definitely try it once. The link is below and it's free to start. And if you want more AI tools like this, subscribe to Aira and hit the bell. See you in the next one.